Download MySQL in Google search box. Now you will get here the link download MySQL. Click on it. Here the windows open. Now click on here downloads. After clicking on the downloads, you will scroll down. Here you will get one option MySQL Community GPL download. Click on it. After clicking on it, here you will get some community downloads. Here you have to click on MySQL Community Server. Here the MySQL Community Server. Click on it. After clicking on it, this window came. Here you can select your operating system, which are you working right now. I am working on Windows, so I click on Microsoft Windows. According to it, it will give you a choice. Click on go to download page. Here you have one is web community 8.0 to MSL, or here is the MySQL installer. You have to install this one, which have a 450.7 MB. Now click on download. After downloading, this page came. You have to click on no thanks, just start my download. Now click on it. See, my download gets started. So my download get completed. Now click on open. Open that installer. See, my installation get started. After your installation process complete, this Windows came. Here you have to choose a custom. Now click on next. Here click on MySQL Server and MySQL Server 8.0. You click on 8.0.26 and send it to the product to be installed. Now click on applications. Now click on MySQL Workbench and MySQL Workbench or 8.0.26. Now click on MySQL Cell and MySQL 8.0 and 8.0.26 and send to here. Now click on next because you only want to install only these three products. Click on next and click on execute. See, the downloading started. So my download is complete. Now click on next. Here you have to install. Click on execute. Now the installing started. So my installing is completed. Now click on next. Then again click on next. Keep all this thing as a default. Next. Now next. Now give here a root password and remember this password because this help afterwards. Now write a confirm password. Now click on next. Keep as default all the things. Now keep and click on next. Start execute all this thing. So my execution is complete. Now click on finish. Now click on next. and finish. Now open MySQL Workbench and click on local instance. Here you have a name user root. Now write your password which you entered there and click on OK. Now your editor is open. See, your workbench is open and here you can write the query. Now I am going to tell how to use MySQL in CMD command line. So open CMD command prompt. Okay, now come to your program files where the MySQL is available. C drive and click on program files and search for MySQL. Is MySQL. So here's MySQL. Now click on it and server 8.0 and click on bin. Now copy the address of this path and come back to the CMD. Here write CD and the path which you copied. Now press enter. After pressing the enter, you will came to that file and write here MySQL dash u for username and here your username is root and then password. Write your password of your MySQL workbench. Means root password you have to write and press enter. Now you can work on MySQL from here. Write one query here. I want to see the previous databases. So I wrote one query, show databases. See, it will show me all the databases present in them. Now I want to create one database. Oh, I done something wrong. Now create once again. Without create database. Mistake and Chittora. So see, the database is created. So this is the way you can create databases in MySQL.